Inshallah, in this video I will show how to track custom percentage scroll rate like 10, 25, 15, 75. Watch the full video. Google Analytics 4 tag scroll automatically, but only taking the threshold when visitor scroll 90%. We want to track more threshold. Now we go to our GTM account. Then under the workspace, go to triggers. Click on new trigger configuration, scroll down and select scroll depth. Select vertical scroll depth. It's user friendly. Write those percentages that the percentage you want to track. Make sure that window load is selected here. Window load means the full website is ready. All picture, text and files are finished loaded. So when a user visits your website, the window load happens after everything is fully shown. And type here a trigger name. Then save. Now we create a tag. So go to tag. Click on new tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event. Now paste here GA4 measurement ID. For this, go to GA4 account, admin, then data stream. Click on property. This is our measurement ID. Copy this and paste here. Type here event name, then event parameter, add parameter. For event parameter, we go to Google Analytics table. I put this link in description below. Copy percent scrolled and paste here. Then select value. Click on plus icon. Then find out scroll rate threshold. All variables appear here because I had select all of them before. For this, go to variable, then configure. Then select all of variable one by one. Now select scroll rate threshold, then scroll down. Click on triggering, select GA4 scroll depth trigger and type here tag name. Then save. Now check is work our tag properly. For this, go to preview. Must be here your website URL. Then connect. Now we scroll down our website. Then go to tag assistant. Click on continue. Congrats. Show here GA4 scroll rate trigger fire. And also see here GA4 scroll rate 90%, 75%, 50%, 25% and 10%. Then click on submit. Write a version name, then publish. That's it.